Now we are discussing the resource reservation. Resource reservation is a technique to improve the quality of service of the network. In the network, we are having the different parameters just like delay, traffic, then we are having the performance, reliability. Now these things should be improved, and resource reservation is one of the technique. So here in the improving quality of service, we are having the technique which is resource reservation. As the name signify means we are going to reserve the resources. The flow of data need resources such as buffer, bandwidth, CPU time. Now these resources are required. So these resources should be beforehand reserved, means before executing any of the thing or sending the data, we should just reserve the buffer, bandwidth and CPU time. So we can say that the quality of service can be improved by reserving these resources beforehand. So the resource reservation says that we should reserve. Reserve means previously take out those resources which are further required. So beforehand we should reserve those resources which are required in the future. Then we can obviously improve the quality of service, because whenever the resources are required, it is available with us. So that's why the resource reservation is very much important for quality of service. Now we are discussing the next technique to improve the quality of service, that is the admission control. So now we are learning the next quality of service parameter, that is admission control. By this parameter or the technique, we can improve the quality of service. Now admission control, it is a mechanism used by the router to accept or reject the flow based upon some predefined parameters, and this is called the flow specification. Means there are some flow specification. Flow specification means there are certain parameters which are defined. If the packet which is coming to the router is following those parameters, means the flow specifications, only then router will take out that packet, means accept it or reject it. If that parameters are not followed, means flow specifications are not followed by those packets, then we will not take out that packet. So this is called admission control. Admission means before taking the packet into the router for sending further, there are certain parameters that need to be followed, which is called the flow specification parameters, and based upon these flow specification parameters, the admission will be taken or not taken. So that is called the admission control. So before accepting a flow for processing, a router first of all check the flow specification to see its capability. The capability like bandwidth, buffer size, CPU speed, etc. And if all these parameters are following and all its previous commitments they are taken care, then the packets will be taken. So the meaning is that in the admission control, first of all, the router keep on checking the flow specification. Flow specification means whenever the flow or the data is coming to the router check the flow specification, which are some parameters. Now parameters like it will check out its capacity. If the router is having the capacity in terms of the bandwidth, buffer size and CPU speed, if the router is having all those things, now all the parameters are satisfied, then those packet flow will be taken by the router and then process it. If router is committed to somewhere else, then router will not take the upcoming flow of the packets. So that is called the admission control. So if we talk about the admission control, then in the admission control, first of all, the things are checked. Afterward, the packets are taken. Means at the time of admission, the things are checked. And if we talk about the resource reservation, in the resource reservation, whenever we are going to perform any of the flow or sending the packets, first of all, we have to reserve those parameters which are required, just like buffer, bandwidth, CPU time. So by this resource reservation and the admission control, we can improve the quality of service. So these two are the techniques which can improve the quality of service of the network.